Multiplying mixed numbers. Moving on from the previous clip, which was multiplying simple fractions, we're going to be looking at multiplying mixed numbers. So there's just an extra step to do first. Let's have a look. So in an earlier clip, we looked at adding and subtracting mixed numbers. So what we had to do there was change the mixed numbers into improper fractions first. So that is what we're going to do here as well. Now, can you remember how to change mixed numbers into improper fractions? You have? Great. If not, what you need to do is you multiply the whole number by the denominator and add the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6. Add the 1 is 7. So it's 7/3. And you do the same thing with the other one. So we have 1 times 14 plus the 1 is 15. So that's 15/14. So now what we normally do is we multiply the numerators together. So 7 times 15 and 3 times 14. However, you're going to get quite big numbers, and then at the end you're going to have to simplify. So can you remember the quick method I showed you earlier? What we do is we try and cancel down these two fractions before we multiply them. So it could be any numerator with any denominator. Oh look, I can see 3 can divide into this denominator once, and 3 can divide into this numerator 5 times. So let's do that first. Oh look, we have another one. So 7 can go into this once, and 7 can go into here twice. Now just have a quick check to see if there's another numerator and denominator which can cancel. No, this is a 1 and this is also 1, and these are both primes. So no, that's it. So what we do now is we multiply the numerators together and then the denominators. So we have 1 times 5, which is 5. And then we have 1 times 2, which is 2. Now, I think we're finished now. Is that right? Well done. No, we're not. We haven't finished because we have an improper fraction here as the answer. And we're not allowed to leave an answer as an improper fraction. We must change it to a mixed number. So from our clip of changing improper fractions into mixed numbers, you'll remember that you see how many times the denominator divides into numerator, which is twice, and we have 1/2 left over. Now this is your final answer. So as you can see, with multiplying mixed numbers, it's just the extra step at the beginning here of changing the mixed numbers into improper fractions that you have to do. Then it's just like before. Okay, so let's have a look at this next one. So the first step is to change the mixed numbers into improper fractions. So we have 2 times the 5, which is 10, add the 2, which is 12. And then we have 3 times 2, which is 6, add the 1, which is 7. Now we're ready to multiply. Shall we check first to see if we can cancel down? Oh yes, we can. Look, we have a 12 and 2 here, and both of them are divisible by 2. So we're going to divide the 12 by 2 and the 2 by 2. Okay, and have a quick check to see if there's any other numerators that will divide with the denominator. No, there's not. Okay, so let's get ready to multiply. So 6 times 7 is 42. And 5 times 1 is 5. Okay, remember, we can't leave this answer as an improper fraction. We need to change it to a mixed number. So 5 divides into 42 8 times. And we have 2/5 left over. So this is my final answer, 8 2/5. Now it's your turn to answer some questions. Pause the video and try these. How did you do? Here are the answers. If you answered any incorrectly, have a look back through the video and then try again.